Show me how. All right, folks, so what I did was I took the trim, obviously, around the original windows, and I framed them with this, I think it's LP. It's this 540 series. I think it's LP or LD. It's good stuff because it's 1 inch thick, which is what I like about it. But obviously I'm not really too fond of the pressboard aspect of it. But you can see how nice it looks. Originally it had the smaller battens. And so what you want to do is, after your window's done, you want to fasten these, mark them, put your template over it. Okay, and your template is just a piece of scrap. So you'll just put it over it and make your mark, okay, right below it, all the way around. Now here I did go in and fill back with the pieces I cut out. I'm not done with this one yet, obviously. So I just want you to get a good grasp of what it looks like before I put the pieces I cut back in. And then what I did was I caulked with silicone wherever there's a split. Up here, there's none on this side. And then I'll go back and fix these battens, and it'll look wonderful when it's painted. All right, and you know, again, this is what you're looking at. 45. Okay, here you have the screws that fasten the frame. You might want to factor that in a little bit, and then you're going to want to go back and caulk this lip here before you paint that little edge. But that's basically what happens, folks. If you want to retrim your windows, make sure you caulk them. You just use really good caulk. Don't put 500 pounds. Just use good caulk. Good sealant. And here's one, and that's that one I enlarged that I showed you on my video. And I could try to link these too. It's been hard because I have a couple channels going. That trim right there, that batten, I can't stand that, but I'm not, you know, there's nothing I could do. I could conceivably shift a couple of these over to cheat the eye, but I'm definitely not going to do that right now. I'm just happy to have some decent windows on this project. It's going to make this place look really good. Okay, and show me how. I just showed you how to trim out some windows. Oh, and by the way, the fasteners, these are really good. These are self-tap T20, Torx 20. All right, that's a Torx 20. And you can see they're self-fastening, self-tap, but you still might want to pre-drill. Like I did here, I actually pre-drill, but I had one in here. But I did pre-drill these just to get a cleaner fasten, okay? And all right, show me how. Just showed you how to trim out your windows. Now you could use, real quick, you could use 3/4 if you want. This is 5/4 material. I like it. It protrudes out. It gives it a little bit of definition. That's cheaper. You can use narrower, not as wide. This is 5/4 by 3.5. Really, it's a 1x4. But it's actually truly 5/4 by 3.5. Net, it's almost 1 inch, almost. But it really gives it a lot better step here. All right, it gives it just a little bit more of a definition, okay? All right, thank you for watching, subscribing, etc. Show me how, out.